Hey all, and welcome to BT. It's a lovely day out there today, and today I'm going to be talking about Sharesies again. So basically I've just put in $30. So each payday I just put in a bit of loose change that I have left over from my pay. I transfer it over into my Sharesies wallet, and then I start to invest my money into specific shares that are available on Sharesies. So let's take a look here. Today I want to put some of my money into bonds and also a few share companies. So let's go to funds. So I want to look for something that's got bonds. Global Bond Fund. And at the moment they're selling for $3.27 each. Yep. And I've already got 1.0726 of a share in that particular bond. Okay, so we'll just go here to overview, and I want to buy and invest. So I'll just come down here and click on invest down the bottom right hand side, and I want to do a market buy, and the amount of money that I want to invest will be, let's say, $6. And confirm your market buy. That's the pink bottom right down the bottom there. And it says, "Cheer, we're placing your order." Okay. So I have bought some more shares of that, and we'll just go to Marie. We'll just click on that, and I'll show you all the different shares that I've got so far. So I've got $5 in Australia Property Fund, $3.51 in Global Bond Fund, $13.79 in Global Shares Index, $3.21 in New Zealand Bond Fund, New Zealand Cash Fund, and New Zealand Top 10 Fund. Now the shares that I've bought are in Bliss, Ike, Just Life Group, New Tasman Gold Mines, SmartPay Holdings, and Tower. Those are the shares that I've bought in those particular companies, and in the funds I've bought all of these ones here. So I want to invest in some more different funds. So let's go to, might try New Zealand Bond Fund. It's selling at $3.31 per share. So we'll just go here, click on the buy button, invest, and how much do I want to put into that? I'll put $5. Okay, and it says processing times will vary and orders might not fill depending on if the market is open or closed, if the market has a trading halt where you are in the queue, and the value of orders ahead of you. Okay, so we're just going to put through a confirmation of that investment. Okay, there we go, we've done that, and let's find some other ones. Just scrolling down here, I might buy again into the Australian Property Fund. They're selling at the moment for $1.15 a share. So we'll buy about $5 of that. And we're putting through the order. Okay, so I want to also start investing in some shares. It's actually quite cheap, Smart Pay Holdings. Let's buy some of that. Let's buy about $5 worth of that. And let's see what else they have here. You can actually withdraw your funds. They have a withdraw button, and the actual companies itself will, some of the funds they pay dividends within a certain time during the year. So just looking for some shares. Let's have a look at that one. It's 0.92 of a cent. So Good Spirits Hospitality Limited, formerly Veritas Investments Limited, is an investment company with shareholdings in a range of New Zealand businesses in the food and beverage and hospitality sectors. The company's segments include the Mad Butcher, Nosh and the BBC, Kiwi Pacific Foods and other. The Mad Butcher segment represents the activities of the Mad Butcher franchise business. Mad Butcher is just basically a meat butchery that sells meat, as well as an owned retail store. Okay. So let's look at the risks and returns. All investing involves risk. Investments can go up and down, and ultimately you could get back less than you invest. It's a good idea to spread investments in shares across different companies, industries and countries, as well as different types of investments. This is called diversification. To find out more about your attitude to risk, you can use the sorted tool. The personalized financial advice, see a financial advisor. Okay. So dividends. When a company pays you money out of its profits, usually once or twice a year, Good Spirits Hospitality hasn't paid any dividends yet. Okay, so it's saying that it hasn't paid any dividends as of yet. So I'm not really keen on going with that company for now. What's this? Here we go. Tower, they're a New Zealand insurance company. So it says here, when a company pays you money out of its profits, usually once or twice a year. Okay. General Capital, let's take a look at that one. Okay, I might invest about $5 into general capital. So here we go. Market buy $5. Invest now. Now, just to let you know that there's no guarantee that you're going to make money, because with stocks and shares on the share market, basically share prices and stocks rise and fall. The key is buying shares when they're low and selling them when they're high. Okay, so I've bought $5 worth of general capital shares. Okay, let's go and take another look. And let's see how much money I've got in my wallet left. I've got $4 left. That's the reason why it wasn't buying those. So let's just go back to Bliss Technologies and let's invest $4. Sorry folks, we'll just see how much. Okay, right, it should work now. So Bliss Technologies, we're going to invest $4 and confirm your market buy. There we go. Awesome. So I've basically used up all the money in my wallet. Whenever I've got some loose change, I just flick it over into Sharesies. So yeah, just to let you know that I'm not going to guarantee that you'll make money on Sharesies. As most people know, the share market goes up and down, and so your profits will fluctuate over a period of time. But the key again is to buy the shares, stocks when they are low, and then to resell them once they are high. So hopefully this has helped you. I've put a link down in the description box if you want to join Sharesies and become an investor and learn about shares and stocks. Sharesies is incredibly easy. It's an amazing platform to use, and here you can either refer a friend, you can redeem a gift and forward that onto a friend or your family, anything like that. You can use a top-up card, you can top up with a bank deposit if you click on all of these details here. Okay, it's a New Zealand bank account, so that's the Sharesies bank account details there. Let's come back here. You can put in your so this says to give your wallet an instant boost, you can top up with a card. This has an additional card processing fee. Alright, so you can top it up with your card, Visa card, and redeem a gift. Yep. And withdraw your money. So So here it says that it can take up to 2 working days to process your withdrawal. We'll be in touch if we need to confirm your details and withdraw to another bank account. So that's great. Share the aroha. Basically what that means is share the love. So you can send gifts to friends or family. Create your gift here. Or you can refer a friend. So what I'm going to do now is, if you want to join Sharesies, I'll copy this link here, put it in the description box down below the actual video, and you can join Sharesies. It's really easy to use. I haven't had any problems with Sharesies so far. I've basically been able to buy shares and stocks, ETFs, indexes and bonds really easily. And the platform itself, I've found it's just extremely simple, and I've been able to maneuver around the platform and website really easily as well. So thanks very much for joining me here today. Thanks for watching my YouTube video, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and hopefully you have a lovely day. Cheers, bye bye.